everybody, I am Ryan Felton and I'm studying in 6th grade at our own English High School Boys branch. I am 11 years old and I love playing football. And robotics is my passion, dream, future and my ambition. Today I stand before you with immense pride and excitement to show you a solution which has the potential to transform the lives of millions around the world. This is a revolutionary product which is designed specifically for those who are blind or visually impaired. I call this product the Blind Vision. It enables the blind community to navigate confidently, independently and with freedom around any environment. Physical movement is one of the biggest challenges blind people face, explained by the World Access for the Blind. The most valuable thing a disabled person has is gaining independence. Blind people roam to their house without any help because they know the exact position of each object. But what if they have to come out of their comfort zone, walk through a busy street, or just locating everyday objects? This is very hard for a person who does not have sight. My goal is to empower a blind person with the potential to see the world indirectly. There are many wearable devices which gives a real-time solutions through artificial intelligence, computer vision and advanced technology. Some advanced technologies like refreshable braille display, which allows a blind person to see text appearing on a screen. But to get all this equipment, it takes a very long time. Hence, this machine is very easy to find and is readily available anywhere. It is really simple to use. This is Blind Vision. To explain blind vision. The blind vision consists of a motor, sensor, a color sensor and a button and the hub. All these components are connected to the hub. The hub contains codes for each one of these components. When I press this button, it will send a signal to the motor to move the sensor up and down. And then it sends an alert saying that the sensor is looking up and down. This is so that the blind person can know if the sensor is up, so that they can know the object is above or below. And anything around 15 centimeters, it will detect and tell the blind person or give an alert saying an object is nearby. So this helps them know if there's the object. Then we have the color sensor. This helps them to detect colors and help them to get their own choice of color dress. You might think, why does a blind person need to know color when they cannot see? A blind person has to be independent and they should be able to embrace what type of color they want to wear. We people with sight are able to choose a color which is appropriate for us. So they should also be able to know that. And we have to help them embrace this. I'm going to explain the code. When program starts, this means the entire program will begin. So all the code sent to the hub will begin. Then forever. Forever means the coding will continuously go in a loop. Then set motor to speed 10. What this means is that the motor you see over here, I want to switch the sensor to look down and up. If I put it at high speed, it's most likely for the sensor to come apart. So if I should put an appropriate speed, that it will not come apart and it will go slowly. Then if condition. What this means is that if this happens, then this will happen. So if I do a certain action, then this will happen from that action. Then if button is pressed. What this means is that, so if whenever I press this button, It'll send a code to the motor to look up or down, then go to shortest path. So the motor will go to a shortest path. The shortest way to go to below or above. Then play sound. What this means is that so whenever the motor goes down, it'll say a sound to show that to the blind person the sensor is looking down. Then when sensor is closer than 30 centimeters or 15 centimeters, so anything around 30 centimeters or 15 centimeters will detect, and this is the alert sound for that. Then when button is hard pressed, so there are two types of pressed and hard pressed. So when I press hard press, it will go to the shortest path to 34, which is above. Then it will play a sound showing that the sensor is above. Then when I release this button, it will activate the color sensor. This color sensor will help the blind person detect the different types of colors. So if the color sensor detects red, it'll play a sound. If it detects purple, it'll play a sound showing that it's detected. That color, specific color is detected. So purple is detected, red is detected, white is detected. Show blind vision in action.
The sensor is facing down. I repeat, the sensor is facing down.
Now what just happened is that when I press this button,
the sensor is facing down. I repeat, the sensor is facing down.
It gives an alert the sensor is facing down. Now let's see if we can detect the stool. So as you can see, it just detected the stool and helped me from tripping. Now we're gonna see if we can detect the wall.
The sensor is facing down. I repeat, the sensor is facing down. The sensor is facing up. I repeat, the sensor is facing up.
Now it said that the sensor is facing up. So as you can see, it just saved me from hitting the wall. Now let's see if we can detect colors, the color sensor.
Red color detected.
Now you can see it just detected red color. Now let's try some other colors as well.
Blue color detected.
Let's try black.
Black color detected.
As you can see, it just detected all the colors that I gave in front of it. Now, whenever a blind person opens their wardrobe and takes out their clothes, they can detect the pants and shirts, but they don't know what color it is. So the sensor can help them detect each color and help them decide what type of colored shirt, pant they want to wear for the day. So the message that I want to say is that blind vision is not merely a product. It is a ray of hope, confidence, independence and freedom for the blind community. Imagine a world where a blind individual can confidently explore new places, navigate through a busy street, or pursue their dreams without any limitations. This is possible with blind vision. This world can become a reality. I want to redefine independence and create a world where no obstacle is too great to overcome. Thank you for your time and attention. Let us embrace this world where a blind individual can say he loves to travel. Thank you and goodbye. This is Ryan Felton signing off.